Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to prove that or check that 3 factorial is equals to 3. Is it? So let's start with today's video solution. First, you should know what is factorial. If it is n factorial, that means you have to solve it like n minus 1 factorial till. So that means if you have 2 factorial, that means 2 multiply 1. You have to solve it till 1. If you have 4 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So here in this question we have 3 factorial. So it is 3 times 2 times 1 and times and minus 1 factorial. So here 3 times 2 times 1. So which is equals to 6. So they check that 3 factorial is equals to 3. No, because 3 factorial is 6 and 6 can't be equals to 3. So they are not equals to each other. I hope it's clear and you find it useful and you know the concept of factorial now. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.